You've been lied to. Not by scammers. Not by con artists. But by well-meaning teachers, parents, and even financial experts, because some of the most popular money advice out there is silently sabotaging your future. Let's talk about it. The illusion of safe advice. From a young age, you were probably told, save your money. Get a secure job with benefits. This advice keeps you stuck in the system. It trains you to survive, not to grow. Bad advice number 1. Saving money will make you rich. You save $10,000 in a high-yield savings account. It earns 4% interest a year. That's $400 annually before inflation. Meanwhile, inflation quietly eats 5 to 6% of your buying power. So you're losing money by doing the responsible thing. Banks love this advice because they use your deposits to make money for them. You can't save your way to wealth. You have to invest, build, or own something that grows. Bad advice number 2. Go to school, get a job, work until retirement. This blueprint worked in the 1970s. Degrees are overpriced. Jobs are unstable. You trade time for money at a capped salary. And when your time runs out, so does your income. True wealth doesn't come from a paycheck. Leverage of skills. Bad advice number 3. Avoid all debt. Not all debt is bad. Yes, credit card debt? Terrible. But smart debt? Strategic. People use other people's money to buy real estate, start businesses. Meanwhile, the average person avoids all debt and misses every opportunity that could have moved them forward. The wealthy use debt as a tool. Bad advice number 4. Live below your means. This advice sounds good until it becomes your financial ceiling. Because living below your means can quietly morph into saying no to yourself for decades, shrinking your vision of what's possible. It's defensive wealth thinking. And no one builds an empire by playing defense. This advice keeps spreading because it's comfortable. They prefer predictable poverty over uncertain potential. But the wealthy? They think differently. What the rich do instead. While most follow the outdated blueprint, here's what the rich focus on. Building income streams, not just saving paychecks, investing early and often. Using debt and tax strategies to their advantage. Reinvesting in things they control. Owning assets that pay them while they sleep and use it strategically. Want to stop playing defense with your money? Here's what actually moves the needle. Invest in yourself, learn, build, grow. Create income that isn't tied to your time. Build or buy assets that appreciate or pay you. Understand taxes, inflation, and hidden fees. Avoid advice that feels safe but keeps you small, because the most dangerous advice is the one that sounds responsible but slowly robs you of opportunity. We were taught to think like employees, not like owners, not like builders, not like investors. But the financial world has changed. And if you're still following the same old rules, you're not falling behind. If this hit home, don't forget to like and subscribe.